Welcome back to my channel. Today I have an exciting Walmart exclusive palette to share with you guys. It is from Profusion, and I know we all are usually very excited for new Profusion launches, so I'm excited to bring this look to you. I wanted these looks to be out before Valentine's Day, but you know, that didn't happen. We had a snowstorm, we had a bunch of electricity outage for an extended period of time, and you know, so I'm just now getting around to be able to voice over, edit, and all that good stuff. So let's get started. So I'm using the Profusion eyeshadow primer, which I love this primer. It's so good. And from Profusion, new Walmart exclusive Love You So Brunch 21 shade palette. These eyeshadows are so nice, just as you would expect. Nice and creamy, super pigmented. Loving this color story. You can go from neutral to colorful to nighttime looks, everyday looks. I've actually been loving this palette so very much, and I can't believe I was so on the fence. I almost didn't pick this up, but I'm glad that I did because I've used it so much already, and I filmed 3 looks with this so far, so I can't wait to share them all with you. And the first shade is Latte, and I'm just windshield wipering that in the crease, rocking that back and forth, and really kind of building it up, making a base for the next few shades we're going to use to blend out into. And I'm taking a really fluffy crease brush to do so. Pressing the eyebrow back in place. Next up, I'm picking up Donut Ask. The names of these are absolutely fantastic, and there also is some pressed glitters in this palette as well. Overall, very nice palette. I have a get ready with me coming soon, so we'll go deeper into the palette details, but so far loving this. Very pigmented, blend out very easily. Love, 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 love. And I definitely would pick it up for $10 if you love Profusion. And so far I'm not seeing many repeated shades, and the names are different, so that's nice as well. And I applied the Donut Ask in the outer corner, and next up we're taking this beautiful shimmery champagne shade, which I did not check the name of. All that information will be in the description box in a product list, so definitely check that out. And I applied that with my finger on the lid, and now you're going to see me go back in with the outer corner shade and blend that in with that. The crease shade, blend that in with that as well. And the eyeshadow part of this is almost complete. I'm going to be taking that champagne shade in the inner corner as well. And the glitter, well, first we're going to be taking Creamer, and that's going to be used as our highlight. Very nice shade. The other day I wore this on my lid. Turned out really nice, very beautiful. These shades also blend out very, very easily. This is just like most of those Profusion palettes. They are amazing. So blend, 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 blend. I hope you guys love this look as much as I do. So beautiful. And the we're going to be taking that Donut Ask on the lower lash line, really buffing that into the lower lash line as well. And the shirt I'm wearing, you guys, totally random. The glitter is called Dessert, and we're applying that in the inner part of the lower lash line, just so you know. And a little trick I learned a long time ago in elementary school about the word desert and dessert. Just a fun little fact, tip little here. If you get confused between the two, just remember that dessert has 2 S's because it is too sweet. Anyways, I thought that was fun. Random about the shirt that I'm wearing, it's actually a pajama shirt. Pajama top. I have matching pants, and I picked it up at Walmart, and I don't even care that it was in the pajama section. I'm wearing this shirt out. It's so beautiful. I'm so ready for spring. And I'm just going to do a quick wing eyeliner. Now, as far as the tight lining went, I did use a new eyeliner from Wet n Wild, which I actually really like. It is black, and it is creamy. It's retractable. And I also used the new Hard Candy Soft Glide eyeliner that I picked up. Very nice and pigmented. I actually was really surprised because I don't like some of their other eyeliners, but this one actually was really nice. Further details on this stuff coming in to get ready with me. And Essence Princess Lash Mascara. This is Hard Candy Lip Primer and Hard Candy Lip Crayon Matte Up Plus all matte up plus lip crayon in blush. I'm so tongue-tied. I haven't done a voiceover forever. Can you tell? And even though you're seeing videos, I am, at this point, I'm getting behind on videos, and because of the electricity situation, the storms, and I'm finally getting back to where I need to be. So this was a look. I hope you enjoyed it. A little bit of first impressions there. Stay tuned for the Get Ready With Me. I thank you so very much for watching. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. Check the description box for additional links as well as a product list. Stay tuned for more looks using the Profusion I Love You So Brunch palette.